Yes! We've got another delivery. And this one's really good. Really, really, really good. But there's an issue, isn't there, Laura?
An issue?
A big issue.
What's that?
A big issue is like a magazine that people sell to raise money.
Yes.
But realistically, do have a bit of a problem. The title of this video, people will know exactly what's in this box. Laura, how excited are you for this?
Well, I'm excited for the people.
The people?
The people that are going to win it.
So do you want to explain?
So because James is very impatient.
Yeah, not impatient, just clever, because I didn't want to miss it.
Oh,
do you want to be unboxing? I'll tell you what.
It waited in a million queues for what's inside this box.
No, not necessarily true again, but I am going to go through...
How many times did you lose the chance to win one of these?
This is the thing, a lot. So I'm going to go through that.
So... Oh, dun, dun, dun.
Yes! Yes!
It's a PS5!
Da, 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 da.
Can you learn that song?
Yeah, sorry. I am really, 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 really...
And... Well, this is a fancy controller.
Yes, that's an extra one.
Dual sense.
So when the boys come round, we can have a FIFA night.
Interesting.
And it's also come with that, which
I was going to pull
you can play on that if you want. But I actually got...
Do you know this is advertised everywhere?
Where's the one? Aha!
It's FIFA. You got this one.
I got that one. I made sure that came as well
FIFA
today.
2020.
So we're a couple of minutes into the video. I've not even explained. Guys, long story short, I've ended up with 2 PlayStation 5s. I paid for them both, and I feel a little bit silly. And I know that you could sell it. I could probably make a couple of £100, but you're all right there? You playing with the box?
Yeah, that's the most entertaining part. Did you not know?
Yeah. Don't drop it.
I'm just getting it. Why put it in a box like that?
Whee.
There we go.
So Laura, we've got 2 of these, and what are we doing with this? The second one's on order. It's coming tomorrow, I think, or the day after.
Yeah, that's what this one is.
Yeah. So what are we doing with the spare one?
We're gonna give you the chance to win it.
So that's right. We are giving a PlayStation 5 away to a lucky subscriber for this channel. All you have to do, you have to be a subscriber to the channel. So the idea of this whole exercise is to pick up a few more subscribers, isn't it? Mm-hmm. If you want to win, you have to be a subscriber, like we said. You have to like this video. And Laura, what do they have to comment below?
You have to comment.
Put you on the spot there, haven't I?
Yeah. A PS5, PlayStation is the ones that go in the game. What's that?
That's EA Sports in the game. Laura, tell the people what they have to comment.
They have to comment PS5.
Yep.
In the
comments
below.
And you have to like the video and you have to be a subscriber. Right, so that is the competition portion of the video done. So you have to be a subscriber, like, comment, all the rest. And before I unbox it, because I haven't seen many PlayStation 5 unboxings on the YouTube. Like there's only a couple of million of them, so we're going to do our own. The story behind it, so I followed a page called PS5 Stock List Notifier UK. I'll put whatever thing there, and they were really, really, really good. So you have to follow them. This isn't a paid thing. This is nothing. They have no idea I'm even mentioning them. But you have to put your notifications on, and literally your phone goes. Da-da-da.
It does what?
Da-da-da. And then that's like literally your notification comes through, and then you're like, ah! So, and I did it. And the reason why we've got another one coming is because I had one on my laptop. On this one's from Very, and the second one that's coming is from Game. As you can see there, and I had them both up at the same time, and I had a really bad experience in the car. I pulled over and I was in the queue for one, and where I pulled over had really bad internet.
Wi-Fi.
That's better. We've got the light on now. I'm not going to go through that whole spiel again, but basically, yeah, I had really bad internet, and I had one in the basket. I had it in the case, and then my internet died, and I was really, really upset, and I was even late for work as well.
That's not like you.
I'm always late anyway, but when I got there and I said to myself, because I was working with myself, why are you late? And then I replied saying, because I was in the queue for a PS5 and I nearly got one. I forgave myself, yeah. But basically, I was running through, I didn't want to lose one of them, so I pre-ordered both of them, and we've got both of them. So you guys, one of you lucky guys is going to get it. Also, if you want to win it, you have to pay postage and packaging if you're outside the UK, because that could end up costing a fortune, and I've already paid.
But the point is that we didn't want to sell it because so many people are getting the madness.
Yeah, I didn't want to be that guy who makes like £100.
So when he came to me and said, I might have got 2, my first thought was, let's give it away.
Yeah, so hopefully, guys, you're gonna
So the
prosper.
giveaway prize is
It's the PlayStation 5, Laura.
PlayStation 5 and the Marvel Spider-Man.
Miles Morales. I think that's what it's called. Anyway, do you want to unbox the bad boy and I'll play cameraman with this fancy new camera we've got?
You need to practice.
Yeah, I do.
Ready?
Always ready.
Oh yeah, because the lights weren't on.
Yeah.
Poor pal. Not really doing this the right way around, am I? Well, then you have to pull it out again.
Wow.
Did you check out my muscles then?
Yeah, I did, yeah. Yeah, very, very impressive.
I'm not joking. I must admit, you know, it's well packaged and
It's well packaged, yeah. I hope it comes with a HDMI cable.
yeah.
Because you've sold mine with my PlayStation 4.
Well, no, you said I had to give them it with a HDMI.
You can't sell someone a... To be fair, I'm going to get... Guys, comment below. You can't sell a PlayStation without the HDMI cable.
Just buy it off Amazon. Like
Yeah, but if the guy's
person.
bought it and they get it home and it's like, well, there's no cable,
whatever.
it'd be absolutely raging, but...
What the hell is that? Does it come with a stand?
You know what? I don't know.
Must do.
Well, still, there we go.
Whoa.
Is this or is this not the best PlayStation 5 unboxing you've ever seen? I need to work out where it's going to go, because like I have the telly on there.
I think you should just put a shelf. We do have a shelf in the garage.
Yeah, we do, don't we? Oh, is that the remote? How does that feel? Is it ergonomically pleasing?
I mean, to be honest, I think I just preferred the whole coloured retro theme. Do you know what I mean? Like
Could get a retro one. Are you going to play FIFA with me?
I used to have a PlayStation when I was a kid, but not.
I love how you've smashed all them all over my MacBook, but anyway. Yeah, let's have a look at the beast, the actual...
Well, if I can get it out. It's quite heavy, you know.
It's a big old thing, isn't it?
Yeah, it's much bigger than the other one.
Can
Can you put this on the floor?
Yeah.
With the rest of the rubbish in this office.
Be careful.
God, it's not the one we're giving away. This is yours.
Yes, we'll chuck stuff about.
It's, honestly, I can't tell you how heavy it is.
Wow.
It's a proper piece
That's
of kit.
really impressive looking, isn't it? Like I've not actually seen one in the flesh or the metal or the plastic or whatever before. That's the stand if you want it like that. So that goes on the bottom. Just leave it for now, that's fine. Right, so pretty much, has it got a HDMI? Is that?
I don't think it does.
Yeah, it is. Right, so I just need to work out now, as I said, where to put it because the...
If in doubt, read the instructions.
We know what it is. Anyway, I'm absolutely buzzing with that. I hope the guys are buzzing at home. I hope whoever you're watching now, you win. You can't all win, only one person can win. But guys, yeah, make sure you subscribe, smash the comments below, PS5, like this video. And if anyone's playing FIFA as well, let me know, because I'm probably going to just kind of mob out on it for quite a while. You're the only person I know who would read instructions on a PlayStation.
Sorry.
It's all right. Do you want to lead us out, Laura?
Yep, so if you do want to win, this is really exciting.
It is, isn't it?
I'm sure there's plenty of kids out there, or adults, or man-children,
Like me?
yeah, that would kill for this prize. So all you have to do is so simple, is like and subscribe and comment PS5 below.
Yep, and we're going to be reminding people of this in most of our videos, aren't we? And trying to
over the next couple of weeks.
outreach as much as possible. I'm going to tell people on the golf channel about this as well, because it's really, really cool. So, best of luck.
Best of luck.
Well, what have you got to say?
Well,
Bye.
see you in 2 days' time.